Will installing peel and stick tiles over ceramic tiles affect the durability of the tiles?
Hey there, welcome to our video where we'll be discussing whether installing peel and stick tiles over ceramic tiles affects their durability. If you're considering this DIY project, it's important to understand the implications. So, let's dive right in.
Understanding peel and stick tiles.
Peel and stick tiles, also known as self-adhesive tiles, are a popular option for DIY enthusiasts due to their ease of installation. These tiles come with an adhesive backing that allows you to simply peel off the protective layer and stick them directly onto a clean and smooth surface, such as ceramic tiles.
Compatibility of peel and stick tiles with ceramic tiles.
One of the key concerns when installing peel and stick tiles over existing ceramic tiles is the compatibility of the two surfaces. Generally, peel and stick tiles are designed to adhere well to smooth and clean surfaces. Ceramic tiles, with their flat and sturdy nature, can provide a suitable base for the adhesive of peel and stick tiles.
Factors affecting durability.
Now, let's talk about the factors that can affect the durability of the installation. Adhesive quality. The quality of the adhesive used in peel and stick tiles plays a significant role in their long-term durability. High-quality adhesive ensures a strong bond between the peel and stick tiles and the ceramic tiles, minimizing the risk of the new tiles detaching or shifting over time. Surface preparation. Proper surface preparation is crucial for any tile installation project. Before applying the peel and stick tiles, it's essential to thoroughly clean the ceramic tiles and remove any dirt, grease, or debris. Additionally, ensuring that the ceramic tiles are free from cracks or loose pieces will help create a stable and durable surface. Tile condition. The condition of the existing ceramic tiles also impacts the durability of the installation. If the ceramic tiles are damaged, cracked, or have loose sections, the peel and stick tiles may not adhere properly or may eventually follow the same pattern of deterioration. It's important to evaluate the condition of the ceramic tiles before proceeding with the installation. To wrap things up, installing peel and stick tiles over ceramic tiles can be a viable option, but several factors can affect their durability. Choosing high-quality adhesive, properly preparing the surface, and ensuring the ceramic tiles are in good condition are essential for a long-lasting installation. If done correctly, peel and stick tiles can provide a fresh and updated look to your space without compromising the durability of the ceramic tiles underneath. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the topic. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.